Don't mind me, just a regular guy putting on his hat there. Don't mind me. Don't mind me just taking care of my ashy lips. Don't mind me. Alright, you guys, so it's me, Tony. Oh my god, yeah, Tim. Today, what we are going to do, well, first let me talk about what I have on. You guys, listen, I understand. Why you never show your hair. Y'all, listen, I get it. I understand. It's never done. Okay, it's never done. Probably in the next... Sorry, you guys, I'm making toaster strudels and they're done. Give me a quick second. I'm a little chef over here. Give me a quick second. Today, you guys, we're gonna be reviewing the, wait for it, the Self-Care Kit by ThaSelfCareKit. If you guys want me to review your products, listen, I would love to do it, but don't DM me about it. I have an email. It's tonytalksbookings@gmail.com. Just do that. It'll be so much easier. I'll respond to you quicker. It'll be perfect. Just do that. This right here is the Power Men's Oil. Right here. There you go. Don't look at my nails. Hopefully they're clean. I don't know exactly what it is, but you can tell this shit is natural. This is, whatever this is, it is natural. Let me see. Oh! This is oil. Let me see. Okay, yo, this smells really good. Oh God, okay. This smells like, you know, when you're in like a restaurant, not a restaurant. This smells like, you know, when you're in the mall and that's when they walk by you and then that's when they give you, they're like, you want to try this perfume? And then that's when they give you a little paper and then they spray it on there and then give it to you. That's exactly how this smells, like the paper. No, I'm just joking. It's good. It smells really, really good. I wonder what's in it though. Because if you see, it has all these like things in it. It's nice though. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, dang. My bad, y'all. My bad. Okay, y'all. They have some oil as well, but I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it came like this or if I did something where the label is not on it. I'm pretty sure that I did something like this because there's no reason why there would be labels on everything else and not this. So I am 100% sure I did this. You know why, you guys? I opened the package like 2 or 3 days ago and I was like, I'm gonna review it today. And then I just sat it in there and I don't know what happened to the label. But just know that it is some type of oil. Some type of oil. Let's go there. It's some type of oil. Now, let me open it. Let me see. Ooh, and I like how it has this nice little metal gold bar. Oh! Okay. Yo, it smells good. It smells really... I wish I knew what scent this was so I can tell y'all. This smells amazing. This literally one of them things where you put on your neck and that's when they walk in. That's when everybody just pull off their drawers and their pants because they just smell you. It smells really good. Okay, let me just, hold on. Let me get it on a spot that I didn't. It smells so good. Oh my God. Y'all did this. I don't know what this is, but it smells amazing. Oh gosh. Y'all, here's a little secret with oils. If you put Vaseline or hold on, let me show you. I have this little coconut. I use it as chapstick, but it's actually lip gloss. Don't tell nobody. It's my little secret. I can rub some of it. I'll demonstrate. Look, I'll show it to you. So you open this up, just like so. Take this, do this little thing, boop. And then take it and then put it right here. Only reason why I do this is because it'll allow the oils that you use, it allows it to stick on your skin. You know what I'm saying? So, open this back up. You know what I'm saying? Take it. And then rub it in, just like so. Yes. Next, we have this Power Whipped Butter. So here you go. You guys can see what it is right here. Power Whipped Butter. The ingredients is shea butter, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, cedarwood oil, and cologne. Let's see. Okay, so the first thing that I would definitely say about it is it looks like there's some of it that's like taken out, or it's melted. I think it's just melted, honestly. I think it's just melted. Oh, it is melted. Probably because I had it in this hot ass box. Two things. One, by the smell, it's not my favorite smell. It's not my favorite smell. It's not. It don't smell like any of the other things. Okay, but I'm a man. Oh, the second thing is the container. It's like kind of like bent up right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a little bent up. But that could have been through the box being shaken. It could have been through anything. So, I can't blame it on them. That could obviously be a me mistake, On up to your shit, Tony. So the texture of it is very hard, if you can see, but it's not bad. It's like very, let's see. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of the smell. That's it. But let's see how it feels though. Oh, but y'all, it feels amazing. Oh my God. Oh God. Y'all, listen, I keep things real. And I give you the honest truth regardless. And let me tell you, although I'm not fond of the smell of it, it feels like my hands are gonna be smooth for the whole fucking day. The good part about it though is that it's natural. It has to be. Like, anytime something smells like this, it's natural. It is natural as fuck. It's hard sometimes to make all natural products smell just beautiful and amazing. I know it. It gotta be. It gotta be. But this right here don't smell the best. This is a powder beard wave balm growth. That is a long ass name. All right, ingredients is clove oil, grapeseed oil, rosehip oil, cedarwood oil, shea butter, beeswax, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil. Y'all better stop. Y'all better stop being so perfect. All natural. Like, come on. Come on. Come on. This smells like, I don't know. I can't get it. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know what it's. Ooh, but y'all. First, let me show it to you before I start dipping my fingers in this shit. Okay, so it's very. It smells okay. Anything, because it's beard and wave balm growth, so I'm assuming it goes in your hair. And now the only thing about it, y'all, is you can't really like get. How am I supposed to get it out? Look how hard I'm pressing my finger, y'all. It won't like, hold on, you can't even see. It won't like, there you go. You see how hard I'm pressing my finger? It don't smell too bad though, honestly. It don't really have a smell. Like, it don't really have like a huge smell. And with all those ingredients in it, you would think it would have like a huge smell, but it doesn't. But then again, I could just be smelling all the other shit that's on my hand. Crazy. It came with a little paper as well, y'all. And I'm not gonna lie, it's in my car. I forgot to bring it in, and I'm not going to bring it in. What I'm gonna just do is put their Instagram right here. I would recommend getting this. I would recommend buying it. I would take a look at different scents that they have. However, whatever scent these two are, which I will definitely find out and put it in the bio, is I love these two scents. I wish that these smelled like those, but I can already tell that I will be using this. Only reason why, and this is the powder whip butter, I will be using this. Only reason why is because it'll make my skin feel like such a baby's ass. And everybody gonna be like, oh my God, why your skin so soft? I be like, girl, you better hit up that self-care kit. That's exactly why. What you think this was? And then I get to put it in my nice little bag. Like, y'all, it can't get no better than it. It can't get no better than it. Look at this, look at this. I'm not gonna try it. This is cute. This is cute right here, you know what I'm saying? But what I want to know, because this one doesn't have the ingredients on it, I want to know what all of this is in here. It just really gives it a natural vibe. Like, I like that. But she did it. They did it. Everything is natural, completely natural. And I just love it. I love it so much. I do. I can definitely say that. I'm using this shit. Oh! Put it nice and neatly in here the way I found it. Perfect. And that is going to conclude our review. All right, you guys, on that note, why whisper when you can talk? Tiny Talks.